In the heart of forests, a groundbreaking discovery reveals how fungi act as nature's internet, connecting trees through underground networks. This mycorrhizal network allows trees to share nutrients and communicate, boosting their growth and resilience. Scientists have harnessed this technology to enhance reforestation efforts, using fungi to accelerate tree growth in barren lands. This symbiotic relationship not only supports forest ecosystems, but also combats climate change by increasing carbon capture. As researchers delve deeper, the potential applications of this natural network continue to astound, offering a glimpse into a future where technology and nature work hand in hand.